What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, so welcome back to another video. Yeah, I look hella fresh. Just came out of work. I just closed the other video. Anyways, I got some stuff here for the 240, and we have what we got. I picked up a hood, and shout out to the homie for hitting me up.
Yeah.
So the hood is kind of not in a perfect shape, but it's not damaged as most of those online. And if you know, and if you're searching for one of these hoods, they're running for $300, $200 stock hood. This is the only issue with this one. I think my boy can fix that. And of course, there's a bend on this one. Either way, also another thing I actually got in was this Enjuku Racing bash bar or crash bar. So the only issue we're gonna have is gonna be the mountain point, because I don't know if you guys remember on the previous video where I actually went through the car and I realized that these bolts on that side where it's really damaged, they came off. So that's the only issue, and I actually have the new front bumper.
Just came in today.
It sure did. It just came in today. As a matter of fact, I've been waiting for this thing for quite a bit now, and I'll show you guys and I'll tell you guys where I bought it from. But let me show you. Let me open this thing up. They usually don't send it in a box, as far as I know, or in videos that I watched before. So yeah. So yeah, pretty much I'm gonna open this thing right now. Let me go get the knife and open it up and show you guys what kind of front bumper we're running, because we're not running a KVD front bumper, and we're not running any of the M1 style front bumper. None of that stuff. It's a whole different type of bumper. I only seen one person on YouTube running it, and he's running the genuine and the most expensive kit, which is this. Unfortunately, this is a replica. I don't have that type of money to throw onto this build yet, but we got it for really
good price,
somewhat good price, and we got it. And it took I think it took about let me say it took about almost 3 weeks, 4 weeks, almost a month to arrive. But anyways, let me grab a knife and get it open.
Yeah, I will.
Alright, so I couldn't find a blade, so kitchen knife's gonna do it. Okay. Excuse the mess, but here it is. If you guys know what this is, you know how much this kit is worth. But I got it really at a good price. Not really, but it took me a month to get here. Well, it took a month to get here, and I've been wanting to run this for the longest time. If you guys know what exactly this kit's worth, we're talking about $4,000 to $5,000, and you have to wait 6 to 12 months. This is a replica from the Spirit kit. So if you guys know what this is, you guys know this 240 is gonna look killer. Of course, I'm looking to change the hood later on, but this is just for now. It's temporary, so I can get the car back on the road and get it going. But what do you guys think? We got the bash bar, the kids' toys. We got the bash bar from Enjuku Racing. Shout out to the homie for the plug on the hood. We got it for dirt cheap, and this is the best of all of them right now.
Yeah.
We have the Spirit style front bumper. I know it's a replica, but I don't have $4,000 just to buy the whole kit. So let me pull out everything so you guys can see what we have right now, and then what we're gonna do to the 240 once it's ready to go. Alright, so this is the front bumper, side skirts. These are KVD side skirts, and this is a KVD rear bumper. Shout out to the homie Mario for hooking it up for really good price on these. Yeah, this is the whole reason why I got these and was waiting for this to show up, right? I don't know, like, I've been waiting to do this kit on a car for the longest time, and now is the time since we bought the 240. Let me show you guys how that thing looks. That looks so killer. I wish I had the rear bumper, because actually the rear bumper is dope just as the front bumper, but it's really dope. Good. I'm gonna say the front bumper is thinner than the fenders I bought from Duraflex, right? So we have the whole kit right now. The only thing missing right now is going to be the rear over fenders. That's about it. So what do you guys think about this kit? I'm so stoked on this thing. If you guys can tell, if you guys can see this in real life, it's like so sick, dude. There is going to be a lot of work to get this one nice and smooth, because there is a couple of bumps, and because they didn't ship it through a what do you call it, in a box. So there is it broke right here, as you guys can tell, right? It broke right there. You got a little
Scrape.
chip right here, and it actually broke right here. So I'm sorry, it broke right here, and hopefully it's not broken from the other side, since of course, even in a box, right, you get them broken sometimes. But I've seen other videos where people get them, like, literally there's like a big crack right here, let's say, for example, or right down the lip, or anywhere else, right, because of the
truck
of the shipping company don't take care of the boxes.
Yeah,
which in this case, this showed up somewhat decent comparing to the other kits or the other bumpers I seen online. Anyways, what do you guys think about this? We got the whole thing for the 240. We're just waiting for my boy to pick it up, and we send it to the shop, get the frame straightened, and then prep it for, I think we're gonna have to prep it for what do you call it, for the smog, and of course, what else, for the salvage or rebuild title, because it's a rebuild title. So we're gonna, hopefully we pass that with flying colors, right? Hopefully we do. And other thing is going to be that the brake test, the light test, or the light inspection. But I have a surprise for you guys for the lights. I know you guys know what I'm going for. So anyways, this is it for this video. I know it's kind of short, but I haven't been going to my boy's shop because I'm being super busy lately, and work just draining me right now. But as soon as we get a chance, we get to go and mount these things before it goes to the, or we just wait until it comes out of the frame shop or the body shop, because he's gonna take the front bumper, and he's gonna take the hood and the bash bar, and also the fenders that's already with the car. Anyways, what do you guys think about this hood? I'm sorry. Anyways, what do you guys think about this whole thing? This front bumper, the whole kit itself. I know it's just showing you what parts that I get, but let me show you guys another little part that I got for the 240 as well. So it's little interior part things, but it's gonna make a whole difference on the look of the inside of the car. Let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so I got this little ship boot Okay, and also this Nismo shift knob. This is not an original Nismo. This is just a replica. I got it for really cheap, so why not? Anyways, so also I got this little drift button from ISR. So that's part of the interior. Of course, the shift boot had to be fried. So yeah, if you guys are excited on this, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and I'll pick up the camera later. Alright guys, so I'm about to finish this video because I forgot to close this video the other day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any comments on the front bumper and the kit, and of course the hood that is looking really crappy, I'm gonna work on it right now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, leave your comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there's more videos coming up. Like I said, I'm gonna start working on the hood, but that's for this next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.